Prime is a seed stage fund. We invest in early stage companies at seed to pre-series A stage with ticket size anywhere between 1 to 3 million. We have been around for more than 10 years, have done more than 40 investments so far. And right now we're investing out of a fourth fund, which is a $120 million fund. But it has been a good time for some, not so good time for the others. We have found ourselves to be incredibly lucky in terms of finding good companies and being able to back them. Case in point, Galabox, we did this investment earlier this year. Right, we're lucky to find the team at the right time. There has been a lot of talk about things slowing down in the market, at least in India. While that has happened to some extent on the late stage side, on the growth and scale up funding side, early stage I think has been resilient to that downward trend. Right? We did see investments in early stage companies come down a little bit, but I think that's more to do because most of the investors were focusing on their mid to late stage portfolios, helping them navigate this kind of funding winter. But now most investors, including ourselves, we are ready to go and invest in good early stage companies, right, across different sectors. SaaS, of course, has been a favorite sector for the last couple of years, and we believe it will be so for the next few years to come, right? And both like building in India for India, building in India for the globe is going to be a secular trend, at least in SaaS, right? And like if you look at the SaaS landscape overall, like broadly you can look at it from a horizontal applications, vertical SaaS and DevOps, right? And we are seeing good action happening across these three segments, right, all across. At Prime, we ourselves this year have done 2 SaaS deals. I think there is deal activity. There's definitely deal activity happening. I'm not sure if they're being reported or not, but I mean, a lot of companies are getting funded based out of Chennai and SaaS. I mean, Chennai is a hotbed for SaaS. It may happen that a lot of companies move to, I mean, we have met a couple of founders who have worked in Chennai but moved to Bangalore because of maybe they find the ecosystem a little better than what they find it here. But I mean, I haven't seen lesser deals happening in Chennai, at least in SaaS. We come in very early, right? So that time there's not enough data, numbers, right, to back or to tell the story, right? So a lot of weightage is given to the founders. And more importantly, founder market fit. Is this the right founder for this segment, right? And earlier during the press conference, I was saying that the 3 founders here come from a deep SME background, of deep understanding about the SME space, right? So while there will be multiple companies that may come up in this space, but you need that deep founder insight, right? What we call founder market fit. So we look for that. The second is, of course, the TAM. It has to be a very large market for somebody to build a potentially $100 million revenue business. Third thing is, of course, product. Is the product like 10x better than the next best alternate that's out there in the market, right? Our AUM is close to 300 million, somewhere around 270 to 300 in that range, across 4 funds. Right now, we're investing out of our 4th one, which is $120 million, of which we have deployed. We've invested in about 6 companies so far. Our ticket size, as I said, the first check that we write is anywhere between 1 to 3 million, depending on the stage of the company and the sector, etc. And then we do follow-on rounds for every company, right? So if you see from the $120 million fund, we would be investing in anywhere between 18 to 20 companies, right? So about 5 to 6 million is the capital that we broadly allocate for every company.